Passive income is the holy grail of finance. It's the money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. Whether you're a busy professional looking to diversify your income streams or an aspiring entrepreneur seeking financial freedom, creating passive income streams can help you achieve your goals faster. In this video, we'll explore 10 proven passive income ideas for 2023 that you can start today, as well as the steps you need to take to get started with each one, from investing in dividend-paying stocks to starting a blog or creating an online course. We'll cover a wide range of passive income ideas and show you how to turn them into a steady source of income for years to come. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. The first great passive income idea is creating an online course or digital product. This involves creating educational or informational content that people can purchase and access online. This can include ebooks, courses, webinars, or other digital products. Once the content is created, it can continue to generate revenue without much ongoing effort or maintenance. How to create an online course or digital product. Identify a topic or niche for your course or product. Develop an outline and create the content. Choose a platform to sell your product or course. Create a marketing strategy to promote your product or course. Next passive income idea is investing in dividend-paying stocks or index funds. This involves purchasing stocks or index funds that pay dividends, which are a portion of a company's profits distributed to shareholders. This can provide a steady stream of passive income, particularly for long-term investors. How to invest in dividend-paying stocks or index funds. Research and select stocks or index funds with a history of reliable dividend payments. Open a brokerage account to purchase stocks or index funds. Consider reinvesting dividends to maximize long-term growth. Next one is renting out a room on AirBNB. This involves listing a spare room or property on AirBNB or other vacation rental platforms. The rental income can be a reliable source of passive income, particularly for those with properties in popular tourist destinations. How to rent out a room on AirBNB. Ensure that your property is in a desirable location and has amenities that appeal to travelers. Create an AirBNB account and list your property. Set competitive pricing and create a detailed description of your property. Provide excellent customer service to earn positive reviews and attract repeat business. Another passive income idea is investing in rental real estate properties. This involves purchasing properties and renting them out to tenants. The rental income can provide a steady stream of passive income, though there may be ongoing expenses and maintenance involved. How to invest in rental real estate properties. Research potential properties and consider working with a real estate agent or property management company. Secure financing for your investment property. Screen potential tenants and create a rental agreement. Consider hiring a property manager to handle day-to-day operations. Another great passive income idea is developing and monetizing a popular blog, podcast, or YouTube channel. This involves creating content that generates a large audience and monetizing that audience through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, or other means. How to develop and monetize a popular blog, podcast, or YouTube channel. Identify a niche or topic that you are passionate and knowledgeable about. Develop high-quality content and build an audience through social media and other channels. Consider monetizing your content through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, or other means. Next one is creating and selling a physical or digital product on e-commerce platforms. This involves developing a product, such as a physical item or digital download, and selling it on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. How to create and sell a physical or digital product on e-commerce platforms. Identify a product that solves a problem or meets a need in your chosen market. Develop a prototype and source materials or suppliers. Choose an e-commerce platform and set up your online store. Create a marketing strategy to drive traffic to your store. Next passive income idea is investing in cryptocurrency. This involves purchasing and holding cryptocurrency and earning passive income through staking, mining, or trading. Cryptocurrency investments can be volatile and require careful research and monitoring. How to invest in cryptocurrency. Research and understand the cryptocurrency market and different investment options, such as staking, mining, or trading. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Monitor market trends and news to make informed investment decisions. Another great idea is participating in affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales generated through affiliate links. This can be done through social media, blogs, or other channels. How to participate in affiliate marketing. Identify products or services that align with your interests and audience. Create a blog, social media account, or other platform to promote affiliate links. Choose reputable affiliate programs and carefully disclose affiliate relationships to your audience. Next passive income idea is developing and licensing a software or mobile app. This involves creating a software or mobile app and earning revenue through licensing fees or subscription charges. Developing a successful software or app can require significant upfront investment and ongoing maintenance. How to develop and license a software or mobile app. Identify a need in the market that your software or app can solve. Develop a prototype and conduct user testing. Secure intellectual property rights and create a licensing agreement. Consider partnering with a company to market and distribute your software or app. The last passive income idea for today is investing in a small business or startup. This involves investing in a business as a silent partner and earning a percentage of profits. This can provide passive income, though it requires careful research and due diligence to identify profitable opportunities. How to invest in a small business or startup. Conduct thorough research and due diligence to identify profitable opportunities. Consider working with a business broker or investment advisor. Negotiate terms and create a formal investment agreement. Monitor business performance and work with a management team to maximize profits. Thanks for watching our video on 10 proven passive income ideas for 2023. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and achieving financial freedom through passive income. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.